Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley here, and today I'm going to be talking about the 4 main ways that you can fix your full arch. So what happens is a lot of times people will either lose their teeth on one arch or the other one, and they need to replace these teeth here. So there's 4 main options to do it. Option number 1 is a complete denture. So this is what a complete denture looks like, and it sticks in. It's got some suction on the palate there, but it rocks around, it moves around. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world. So that's something that's very easy to do, and it's something that'll get you some teeth, but it's not the most comfortable. One step above that is what's called the overdenture. So this is an overdenture. On the lower, you do 2, maybe 4 implants sometimes. And what happens is you actually get rubber grommets that attach to implants. So this one requires 2 implants. You attach these rubber grommets to those implants and it actually snaps into place. This is much more comfortable than traditional denture. The problem is it still has some rock to it, it still moves, but it's much, much better than this procedure right here. One step above that is going to be the Allon 4, 5, 6 procedure right there. We typically like to place more implants as opposed to less, but this one is a very, very good option for a lot of people because it is probably one of the best balances of cost and effectiveness and comfort that you can get, because you get a fixed prosthesis. This doesn't go anywhere. This is very strong, and it's something that's very comfortable for a lot of people to wear. So this is going to be one of your best options if you want something fixed and you don't want something that comes in and out. Next step up from there, you end up placing many more implants. And a lot of times this requires grafting, sinus lifts, things like that add cost and complexity and time to the treatment. So this is going to be something that's going to be much more expensive. It's going to be maybe a little bit more comfortable, but this is going to be something that you're going to be very comfortable with, and it's going to get you something that's going to be very nice and last you a very long time. So this is why we do a lot of these. We do quite a few of these, but a lot of people are kind of trending toward this nowadays. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much.